my beautiful people, it's your girl Naledie Aphiwe. You know the story. Guys, I have good news for you all. I'm here by AMR Studios. Shooter my cover art for Waiting for You featuring Lilly Faith and Anonymous. Things are in the makeup, man. You can't see the transformation.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everybody's fine. My name is Lilly Faith and today we're shooting for Waiting for You by Naledie Aphiwe featuring myself. I am so excited.
Yo, what's up? Jay the stylist here. Today I'm the stylist of the shoots. I'll be styling Naledie, Lilly and Blackie. Check it out, it's gonna be too dope. Yo.
Cities, I am back. I'm done with my makeup. I look stunning, gorgeous. I know, sing your shinjagi man. See you guys on a shoot. Love you.
Yo, what's going on? Coming up, CiCi. Sorry, this is
your favorite photographer's favorite photographer, okay, my Josie?
We out here at Kailami at this guy's studios. We're shooting Waiting for You.
Yes, sir.
With Naledie and Lilly Faith, you know what I'm saying? We just shine the cover right here. I don't know if we're gonna do the music video, but
vibes. Like, go away.
What's up, good people? This is DK from Naledie Aphiwe Music. We're here at AMR Studios shooting our next single with Blackie and Lilly Faith. I hope you guys are gonna listen to the song and love it. Stream, 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 stream. Let's go.
Hi guys, Clown Pumtana here from Virgin Music South Africa. We're here shooting Naledie Aphiwe and Blackie featuring Lilly Faith. I'll Be Waiting for You, which is dropping very, very soon. Had a cool time with my Josie. He was the one handling the lenses. You know, the best or nothing. Let's go.